So, hello everyone. In this video demonstration, I will walk you through activity 1, which is authentication foundation, which focuses on building a secure authentication system with essential protection features. This is part of our secure web application development project. So, the first step is let's start with user registration. Here, users can register with their details. We've implemented input validation to prevent invalid or harmful data, such as SQL injection or malformed emails. So let's try to log in account. Here in the password, the special characters are sanitized and fields like email, password, and name are validated before submission. So let's try to create a password with mixed mixed characters like capital letters, numbers, or special characters. So you can say we can also choose what role should what role we should like before registering an account or creating an account. So let's try to log in as user. You can also see here there's a reCAPTCHA in our register form that we must verify before creating an account. So let's select all images with basically start to register. So as we can see here, we have registered successfully. Now we can log in to our system. So now let's move on to the login functionality. First, passwords are stored securely using HP's password hash or bytecrypt. This ensures that even if the database is compromised, the passwords are not stored in plain text. Second, each login attempt is logged, recording the IP address, timestamp, and success or failure status. So let's try to log in our registered account name. You can also see here there's also another captcha in our login form that we must need to verify before we log into the to our system. So let's try to log in. After logging in, users are redirected based on their role. For example, admins are taken to the admin dashboard while the users are redirected to the user dashboard. This ensures role-based access control where users only access what they're authorized to see. So let's try to log out. You also, as we can see in the dashboard later, we also implemented session management to improve security. First one is the sessions, which is expires after inactivity to prevent hijacking. The second are users are automatically logged out after a set time or can log out manually. And most importantly, if someone enters the wrong username or password 3 times, the account is temporarily disabled. This helps prevent brute force attacks. So let's try to log in our registered account later with wrong credentials. You need to verify their captcha first. After this, since log, we try to log in the account with wrong credentials, it appears in the login form that too many failed login at too many failed login attempts. That our account has been locked for 30 minutes. So all these features are either uploaded. So the implementation and verify security compliance. So that completes our demonstration of activity one, which is authentication foundation. We've implemented essential features like secure login, bot protection, brute force prevention, and session control, all of which are fundamental in building safe and secure web applications. So that's all, and thank you for watching.